Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to our channel. Today is another day in exploring Georgetown, and here she is with a coffee, starting with a croissant, taking a photo of this Japanese beautiful temple. We are just walking, we are going to the mall, the Prangan Mall. Prangan na?
Prangan or something.
Prangan Mall. We are on our way to that. I will show you guys. We will be exploring Georgetown on feet today. We don't have any bike. We don't have any other transportation except for walking. We will visit 2 or 3 places and then we will go back to the hotel. I will show you what kind of places we are visiting. Everything. Stay tuned. I don't know why, but there are so many Japanese temples, Japanese stores in this area. The area which we are living in Georgetown. Korean and Japanese both. Maybe there is some history that they have migrated here a little bit. No idea.
Walking on the road,
Just nearby our hotel only, this one is there. This is called the Top. It's like if you have seen the Dubai Skywalk, just opposite to Burj Khalifa, they have some building where you can walk. That glass bridge kind of the building. The same similar kind of thing is there in the Georgetown also. There is some entrance fee, so we are not going. I'm just showing you guys, if you want to go like that, then maybe you can keep this one. There are so many stuffs. Aquarium also is there. Let me show you what they have. They have window on top. This one is the skywalk, the rainbow skywalk. This one is the one I'm talking about, which you can go top, see some view. Some restaurant is there, gym is there, observatory deck is there. Everything is not free, huh? Everything has some certain tickets. Jurassic Research Center is there, and yeah. So aquarium is there on the level 4, and the decoration is so cute. Yeah, you can definitely try if you want. I don't know about the pricing. But if you come here, you can try definitely. Let's go to the mall. I think that is one of the mall, Prangan Mall. Latest news, she has already researched about it. How much the price?
200 something ringgits.
200 ringgits means almost 5,000.
More than 200.
More than 200, that means it will be 4,000 to 500, 5,000 in between.
Yes.
So,
It has a skywalk also included. I think I have to check it again and verify it.
okay. Yeah, definitely. If you want to go inside, definitely 4,000 you have to, minimum ticket you have to pay, I think. Right?
Yes, I just have to confirm once. I can't give the information.
If you guys want any information, just let us know in the comments below, then we will provide the information. She is the one who have all the information. I am the one who just navigate, that's it. Here it is, the Prangan Mall. Yeah. Let's go inside. Which shopping?
You're not letting me do any shopping.
What I have done. How many ringgits we have?
Ringgits I don't have.
Card is there.
Cards you have, na?
Let's go cross the road first.
We have only 40 ringgits that we have to survive till tomorrow. From here to airport also we have to go.
We have to go by that only. Mall is literally so big. This is the middle road, and this side of the road mall is there, and that side of the road mall is there. So much good. Look at this one. This is very good. First I haven't noticed that something is there inside. I was like, how the stick is moving. Here so many Japanese stores are there. She has in Mixi. Let's go eat something. She was waiting for this. Guys, we came inside the mall. Look at how big the mall is.
There is a market also.
So much big. Let's go and explore today. This will take I almost think 3-4 hours.
There is a market also, local market.
Let's go there also.
We'll go after there. Okay, wait a minute. My time is gone.
You have to change the time. Let's go and explore this a little bit. Then she's saying some market is there. We'll go there. I'll show you guys. We want to try something new. And here are so many healthy options here. Look at the vegetables they are giving inside the sandwiches. This 7.9 ringgits. They have tuna, they have potato and chicken, and they have chicken option, triple cheese or something. So we took this one, try egg mayo sandwich. There are so many options in the bread also. And the best part is there is no special charges for anything. This black one is, I think, one is matcha, they said, the green one we took it. And this one is tomato, and this one is something else. They said I forgot the name. So different breads are there. You can choose from them. It's a good thing. 7.8. It will be around 160 rupees in our currency, in Indian currency. There are so many other options. They have cheesecakes. You can try definitely, but they are a little bit costly, I think. No? 17 means 340 rupees one cheesecake slice. I think that one is a little bit pricey. So yeah, let us see how it tastes. Just beside that shop only they made a small place to sit. We got our sandwich. Let's see how it tastes. This one is matcha bread. I'll try the matcha one first. So many veggies they gave. Very good. Oops. Definitely a must try. First Avenue Mall decoration. I don't know whether it is Chinese or Japanese or anything. I think it is Chinese. What do you think?
I think Chinese because Chinese New Year.
Okay, they are.
They do like that is in Chinese drama I have seen.
Okay. I don't know. Golden Blessing in Blooms. 3rd January to 16th February. Event highlights. I think this is Chinese. Chinese. Red packet.
Yes.
Yeah, red packet is a gift card for them, I think, right?
Yes. Red packet they will give gifts to each other. In the family they will give like how we give money occasionally. that
They give red
it
cards.
Red packet. In that red packet money will be there.
Then it's Chinese. Something Chinese. Maybe then outside decoration which we are seeing that also is Chinese only.
Not everything. Not everything.
Not everything.
This is Chinese decoration. The slides are you seeing now mostly Chinese use it.
Don't-
In that decoration.
Yeah.
In Chinese drama. I have
So
seen.
much good. You are watching too much of Chinese dramas and
Chinese
Japanese
drama,
drama.
Korean drama.
It started with True Beauty and it's expanding. Chinese, Japanese, Korean. What else left? Can't stop myself from going inside. Look at the decoration and stuff. Oh my goodness. There is some painting kind of a thing. I think some painting classes. These are gift hampers. Look at the decoration. So
Yes, Golden Blessings in Bloom, we bring to you a series of wonderful events and activities.
There is an event
Dance
going on.
performances is still to come. That one is next week. Okay.
Lion dance performance will be going on here. We can't wait here, we don't have much time though.
And we hope that you join us for the
He is the anchor.
Chinese New Year walk.
Chinese New Year. That's the thing, we got the event what's going on. It's Chinese New Year. She's correct actually. Where is she? I have to find. There she is. Let's go. Right now we are going to some Chaurasta market. Some local market is there. I think it will close in the night. That's why we are going now. And night also we need to go to that Georgetown also. Georgetown area is there. Some colony is there which we have seen online. We have to search where it is. Let us go to the market and we will see how the local market is. We have reached that market. This is the headquarters of the Penang, police headquarters of the Penang. So much big it is. Established on 25 March 1807. Let's go inside market. All this is market only this side. So many shops are already closed. We don't know yet.
He have said he will do shopping for me.
Let's go.
Nothing
bag.
we have done. Nothing.
Hey,
Nothing.
bag is big na.
Nothing. Only just bag. He took it from one single shop.
This is what is there inside.
Nothing he have done.
Let's go inside the market.
Everything
Going
he's
to.
saying, everything he's saying and saying, okay, this is that much ringgit, okay, that is Indian rupees this much. Didn't what confuse.
20 rupees. 1 ringgit is 20 rupees. We came to local market though. Let us see here what we will get.
But
We will go again inside. We will go to First Avenue again. Yeah, this is the market. There is so many shops are closed inside. I think night time they will open it. Let us see what shops are there.
we closed, we will show you.
Okay. If she's giving this expression, she didn't like it. Maybe white one is good. Bus. She didn't like it.
Is it?
When will I get it?
You can have it. Finish that yellow side.
I don't know. It's like a mixture of some fruit.
I don't want it.
Fine, it's good. I liked it. It's okay. It's good for me only. This is, I think, the jackfruit flavor. I like jackfruit. She doesn't like at all.
I don't
That's
like
why.
smell.
That's why she's not liking. It's good. If you like jackfruit, it's good. So many shops are closed, and we came to a street. I don't know about the shop, but this place is pretty. This way is good. Let's go inside. We just came out of that Chaurasta market. There is nothing in that market. I think mostly food market it looks like, because we couldn't see any shopping kind of shops or something. Souvenirs are there. That also costly. That's it. That's it about the Chaurasta market, I think. We will check in the hotel. Actually, the problem is we don't have the network at all. We didn't take the SIM. We will just stay for 2 days or like that. For that, why to take the SIM? It's 25 ringgits outside. In 7-Eleven, she is saying 10 ringgit something is there.
While
But
coming the airport, it's 25 ringgit. But
last time we took for 25 ringgits from the airport only. It's a huge 500 rupees.
here in the 7-Eleven, it was showing me 10 ringgits only.
We're not sure about how much data, what it is, and all.
7 ringgit, 10 ringgit.
Then we could have taken. It's 200 only, right? So that's it. We will just go for the hotel. We just came to the same street again. We'll fresh up a bit, take a rest, and then we will go back to the city to explore it again. I think this time we will go to the Georgetown, the most famous Instagram spot. So we'll check it and then we will go there only. There is nothing else to do in this spot right now. Let's go. Guys, we have entered the most famous Penang street art. This is the starting of the street. Look at it. The cycle is not a painting, huh? The cycle is not a painting at all. We are just entering it. I will show you guys what we like the most. So much pretty the street is. This is one of the street art. If you guys think this one is painting, you are wrong. Let me show you. So many streets are there like this.
That is street art painting.
This one is just iron. So how much time would have taken for them to make it? The hand pull rickshaw, the most popular form of the transportation in the early Penang. This one we know. This one is street art. This one is painting. So cute this place is. You guys should definitely visit. This should be definitely in your list if you are coming here. I don't know how it looks in the morning, but in the night it is looking so good. These decorations are adding more aesthetics to this place actually. Just now I got to know one more information that Georgetown is one of the world's UNESCO recognized heritage center. Just now I got to know this one Georgetown is awarded as World Heritage Site. Oh, this one is so good. All these places that art street only. Definitely you should visit in the night time. Night it is looking so good. I think due to this Chinese New Year also, the decorations are so good. All these decorations are looking like that Chinese New Year vibe. If not, maybe this will not be there. I don't know. I haven't seen online actually. When I was checking the photos online, I was not getting these photos of these lanterns and all. I was just getting the photos of the street arts or something. What is this? 100 Yap temple something. Let's go. We will explore more of this place. Guys, we came out of that street of this Penang and Georgetown. It is very pretty. It's like you have to come in the night only because the lights and decorations are more good right now, and it's pretty good experience for us. And after that we came out of that street and we came to the beach street and we have found some Lee jetty. I don't know what does jetty means. If you guys know, just let me know in the comment section below. What we have seen on the board, it's like Lee jetty ancestors came from Chinese and got settled here. From the history of what I have heard also, in the 19th century Chinese came and settled down in the Georgetown. That's why you see so many Chinese temples and Chinese cafes here, and Chinese people are also so many in the Georgetown. And this is how it is looking. I think these are homes of the Chinese settlements. There is some decoration and stuff. We don't know where we are going also. I think these are all Chinese homes.
Yes.
These are not some kind of a shops or something.
Sounds also coming from their home.
Yeah. Someone is cooking. It's like on the shore of that beach they got settled. We are just going, we don't know what exactly this place is also.
Okay. Beach area.
It's kind of some beach area, and oh, this is very pretty though. Guys, we came during Chinese New Year. We are very lucky. We are able to see these pretty decorations. Look at all this. Let me show you from the details. Look at how much detailed it is. But if you are planning to coming to these jetty places, come in the morning when the light is there. Okay, after light fail, you can't see anything. But this is how the settlements are. These are all Chinese settlements. Every jetty have one family which got migrated from the China and got settled here. And these are very pretty. Guys, so I'll just explain the story of this Lee jetty. It is really heartbreaking. During the British colonization, they used to live in somewhere else. Now it is a ferry terminal. Ferry terminals and just the boat terminals and all. So they had to shift from that place to the other place, and they didn't had any place, and the life was very tough for them because jetty is like a families. So Lee jetty is one family group, and this group got shifted here, and other families are also fighting for this place. So that time they had so much of fights and all, so much of difficulties they have faced, and finally somehow they secured this place, and now they are living in peace. That's the story of the Lee jetty. So for every jetty, I think there will be a story like this, definitely. For every jetty there will be a story like this, and definitely add one jetty at least when you come to Georgetown. And the best time to explore Georgetown during the Chinese New Year. Whole city is decorated with these stuffs. Whole city, I'm not joking. Whole city, inside streets also decorated like this. Very beautiful. Luckily we got a chance to explore this, na? We were not aware of this.
I knew Chinese New Year is there.
But
I didn't know in Malaysia, like.
Yeah, in the Georgetown people are there, Chinese people are there, that we don't know.
That much Chinese are there, I have no idea. There are Chinese, Japanese, don't know even.
Okay, let's go. After 30 minutes, 22 seconds, still we are on road, buying ice cream, buying chocolates, roaming around. You said we will go to home. Hotel, huh? Where we are right now?
This is more important than. See, the first thing is, in India you will not get this kind of ice creams. I have bought this in a
Mixed store.
mixed
It's
store.
called a mixed store. I think it's Chinese, Japanese, Korean mixture store.
Yes, you'll get all imported ones. That you will not get it anywhere. In India, forget, you'll get it. They are not ice cream. In India, they
So
sell.
much sugar.
No, the thing is, in India, they sell. It's not ice cream, it's a
Frozen
frozen
dessert.
dessert. And I don't like them much. I like the real.
They are so much creamy here. I mean, in India also we get very few brands. Hey guys, we are back in the hotel, and that's the end of Georgetown, Penang. If you guys want any information regarding how we have traveled all this trip, where we have stayed, like coming from Thailand to Malaysia by land, any information, whatever you want, just let us know in the comment section below, and we will be answering that whatever we know. Stay tuned for next trip. Bye bye.